Okay, y'all, this is Whitney and Miss Shawn. We're driving inside of this Escalade, y'all. Okay, couple features about this Escalade. Look at this sunroof. Has all the bells and whistles and some. AC blowing cold, all black, black interior, wood grain. Come on, you guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Low mileage, you guys. Don't get inside of a vehicle that you don't want to get into. Come to Shabana Motors, put your life on drive, and take off. Don't y'all forget, come down to Shabana Motors. We have the best cars. All of our cars come with warranties. Don't forget that neither. 24,000 mile 2-year warranty on all of our vehicles, as well as 1 year free AAA roadside assistance, something a lot of places is not going to give you. Don't get stuck inside of a rut because you did not come to Shabana Motors, okay? Thank y'all for riding with us inside of this beautiful car. Hopefully we'll see y'all later driving inside of something else, pulling up, big body, whatever, you know.
No mess, no stress, no fuss.
Here at Shabana Motors, put your life on drive, y'all.